Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt at home using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 gallon of whole milk, which yields the creamiest yogurt. Also, have 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures ready. This acts as your starter. Finally, a good thermometer is crucial for precise temperature monitoring throughout the process. Now, let's prepare the milk. Pour your gallon of milk into a large pot and heat it slowly over medium heat. Stir it often to prevent scorching. Bring the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, which helps create a thicker yogurt. Once it reaches this temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. Once the milk cools to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the starter. Take 2 tablespoons of your plain yogurt with live cultures and whisk it thoroughly into the milk. This introduces the beneficial bacteria. Then, pour the mixture into clean jars or a large container. Incubate it at a consistent temperature between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 10 hours, allowing the cultures to work their magic. After incubation, your yogurt is ready for chilling. Carefully transfer the containers to the refrigerator and let them chill for at least 4 hours. This helps the yogurt set properly and develop its final texture. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through cheesecloth. Your delicious homemade yogurt will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.